How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your RAZER BLACKSHARK V2 Pro microphone not working. So if you're having problems with your Pro microphone, which a lot of new users have, basically the first thing that you want to do is to just search for the RAZER Synapse application. Now, in most cases, after installing the microphone, basically the microphone is turned off on the application right here. So just go ahead and get the official application, make sure that your microphone is turned on or the volume is turned up, and from there you should be good to go. Or of course, you also want to head over to your audio output and make sure that the device that you are using is basically the right microphone. So you could click on the more advanced sound setting, click on the microphone that you were using. In my case, it's the RAZER Kraken right here. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.